sun, surf, the East Coast Railway, and hot springs are what define Taidong for many people. Here, a mist-shrouded hot spring town hides a forested sanctuary teeming with life. Cirebon in spring is young and vibrant. Mountain slopes carpeted in verdant green effervesce with vibrant life. The gurgles of mountain-fed spring water greet visitors at the main welcome pond. Five main paths traverse the recreation area. Scenic Trail, which connects the visitors center to the campground, is ideal for families and visitors of all ages. The route is lined with indigenous-inspired art and native plants used by local tribes. Listen anew to forest breezes and bird songs through the park's wind-song pipes. Inspired by the veins of leaves, the area's elevated skywalk gives visitors a bird's-eye view of the surrounding forest. Also, a suspension bridge gives you a sense for how local macaques wobble to and fro from tree to tree. The perennially popular falling water footpaths put visitors in touch with Cirebon's exhilaratingly cool mountain waters. Surround yourself in nature's gentle, relaxing embrace. Stop at your leisure to listen to the myriad of frogs and insects and gain wisdom in hushed contemplation. The wistfully winding path of Forest Trail is perfect for bird lovers. Lush and leafy Cirebon is one of eastern Taiwan's top birding destinations. The heart of the forest here echoes with songs of dozens of bird species. Settle in and enjoy the sounds of Cirebon's mellifluent calls of the wild. Follow Forest Trail to the turnoff onto the masterfully designed and built Jasmine Orange Trail. This quiet and introspective pathway that hugs the landscape's natural contours is a green, low-carbon initiative constructed of locally sourced stones and naturally felled wood. Surrender to the meditative embrace of the forest, its wafting jasmine orange aromas and hypnotic cicada songs. This is a walk you deserve for yourself. If you're lucky, you may even catch a glimpse of one of the elusively shy muntjacs. Brave Climbers Trail rises over 200 meters in elevation over a distance of just 827 meters, making it a great route for those looking for a challenge and some exercise. To reach a beautiful overview of Jirban's hot spring district and the expansive Pacific Ocean beyond, follow this moderately graded, zigzagging trail to its highest point. It's well worth the effort. Jirban in summer is Banyan-esque. The buzz of cicadas brings us to Banyan Shaded Trail and its century-old white banyan trees. These white-whiskered centenarians look after the land and its profuse life. The blush of seasonal pink atop these banyans is provided by the beautiful flowers of the Ecdysanthera rosea vine. The 1,000-root banyan is a forest recreation area attraction that should not be missed. A dense phalanx of aerial prop roots created this sprawling organic complex from a single banyan tree. Local macaques make regular appearances, moving playfully among the tree branches. Autumn in Jirban is delightfully sunny. A late afternoon shower both dispels the heat and feeds short-lived diaphanous waterfalls. Jirban Herb Garden is home to a multitude of seasonal culinary and medicinal herbs. Butterflies bask in the warming rays of the sun. In flight, their kaleidoscopic diversity creates an ever-changing dreamscape of beautiful color. Wildlife takes full advantage of autumn's bounty to feast and to tidy up their forest home. It's a truly festive time of year. These seasonal regulars from the north are one of the highlights of autumn in Jirban. Seasonal winds bring bird lovers to Jirban from near and far in the forest recreation area. And along Mount Yaoshan nearby, bird lovers revel in the majesty of this annual assembly of eagles. Winter in Jirban is all about hot springs. This rest stop along Scenic Trail offers a hot spring footbath where hikers can rest their tired feet and take in the scenery. After resting here for a while, continue your walk down Scenic Trail and see if you can find the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac hiding there. The Nature Education Center's facilities and activities are designed for the whole family to enjoy, with hands-on learning helping children better appreciate wood, forest ecology, and nature. Durban's daytime live show draws to a close beneath a beautiful roseate sky, opening the curtain on a nighttime starlight extravaganza. This show is scored with the harmonious hums and chirps of innumerable denizens of this forest. Clear your mind and center your soul in this after-hours Durban experience. The Durban National Forest Recreation Area, a four-season forest wonderland for spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Durban is waiting for you to come and experience. Decode the secrets of the forest and discover the fun and adventures that nature has to offer. Give yourself a much-deserved getaway in Taidong. Between the mountains and the sea, recapture the pleasures of youth in Durban.